What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to hustle and bustle through all of the tools, or many of the tools that I use, because this was popular demand based on the Telegram. You guys were asking, treat us like we're on day one. We are rookies. We don't know what we're doing. We need to know how to even get started. And that's what I'm going to do. This is what I would do with my friends, with my family. And I'm doing it with you guys because you guys are my community. You are my family. I love you guys. So let's get started, guys. And before I actually get started, let me make sure that all of the links are in the description below. So go down there and check out every single link to most of the tools that I'm going to be going over in this video, guys. So they're there. So don't go asking me in the comments, hey, how do you find this link? How do you find that link? It's all there in the description, guys. Every single one of them. Make sure you're checking the description. Let's hop into it. Absolute step number one, in my opinion, is download the Brave browser on your phone, on your desktop, whatever you use a browser, download Brave. Don't use Safari, don't use IE, don't use Firefox, don't use any of those browsers. Use Brave. There's a specific reason, and you guys may have seen some of the pop-ups come up on the bottom right of my screen. Those are advertisements. Every time I click one of those, I get BAT tokens, basic attention tokens, guys. Me just using this browser since I started, I already have 30 BAT tokens in this, and I have about a couple, like I think 15 or 20 BAT tokens from my iPhone on that browser as well, guys. So basically, they give you BAT for using the browser. So I've made $21 just for using the browser. So I recommend, because of that, go and find Brave. It's a really good browser, actually. It eliminates all the ads. In return, it comes up with these pop-ups. You can set how often you want the pop-up, once an hour, twice an hour, 5 times an hour. I have it 5 times an hour to get the most BAT tokens I can. So guys, number one step, download BAT or Brave and use it. Use it every day. Number two, guys, you're going to need a Fiat on and off ramp, guys. And I personally use Coinbase because I am in the US. I can use Coinbase. But if you're global, you might need to use Binance. So I have a link for Binance Global as well as Binance US. They're referral links. Go ahead and use them. You would help me out if you did. But me personally, I use Coinbase. I don't use it to really keep my investments here. I just use it to literally make weekly investments. You can see every week I put in a little bit of Cody, a little bit of Cardano, and I use it to get my on-ramp on. So basically, I deposit or wire transfer money directly from my bank account into Coinbase, and from there I go out into the cryptoverse and invest my money. I don't actually use, I try not to use centralized exchanges at all. But guys, you need a way to get your fiat currency, right, your regular money, into the crypto world, and the best places to do that are Binance if you're global. You can also use KuCoin, you can use Ascendex, you can use Coinbase if you're in the US. Again, since I'm in the US, I use Coinbase. It works awesome. KuCoin and Binance would be the second recommendations. There are referral links to all of those in the description, guys. Moving on. We're gonna need wallets, guys. As you know, every chain needs a wallet in order for you guys to interact with it. So Metamask is the first basic wallet, guys. In Metamask, you're going to be able to add several different networks through Chainlist, which I'll also leave a link, guys. You go to Chainlist, you can add most of these networks. The only one you cannot add is Velas, and I have a separate article that actually shows you how to add the Velas network, which you're going to use for VelasPad and Wagyu swap. But you can add KCC. Multi-VAC is actually a separate one. There's a Medium article out there. You can Google for it. You can add Matic, all these different networks on MetaMask. You'll need them. That's the number one standard wallet you're going to need. I highly recommend using MetaMask. I don't mess around with Trust Wallet. I feel like it's not as popular across the board. MetaMask is. Guys, the other wallet you're going to need is Phantom. This is your number one Solana wallet. Get yourself a Phantom wallet, guys, and you can see these are all as browser extensions that you can have added to your toolbar. Tron Link, you're going to need Tron Link, especially if you're going to be in Bluezilla Launchpads, because this is the only wallet on the Tron chain, guys, and this is the wallet that interacts with Tron Pad. So guys, these are some of the wallets that you can use. Another wallet you can use for the Cardano chain is going to be Datalist. I'm going to leave a link for that as well. And here you can see Datalist. This is my Datalist wallet. I don't have very much ADA state because I sold all of my ADA to get into all of the Bluezilla launchpads that I'm in now, and I think it's a good decision because I've made a ton of money doing that. But guys, you want Datalist to stake ADA. You can stake ADA for ADA. You can stake ADA for Sunday Swap. You can stake it for OCX tokens. You can stake it for Meld. Guys, there's different pools that you can stake in. Definitely get yourself either a Datalist or your Roy wallet. I'm only leaving the link for Datalist. That's what I use. That's what I recommend. I know it. I don't know your Roy. So that's the wallets, guys. So here again, I'm showing you Chainlist, which is what you're going to use to add different chains to your wallet. So let's say you just have a brand new Metamask wallet, you don't yet have Binance Smart Chain, add it to it. You literally just type Binance up in a search, you connect your wallet, and then there's another button that comes up where Connect Wallet is now that says Add Network to Wallet, and it will automatically add it. You don't have to go in here and do all the manual configuration of importing a wallet. You can actually just use Chainlist. The only time you're gonna need to do it manually is for both Velas and Multivac, and there might be some other chains out there, but Velas and Multivac are the two that I have where I had to do it manually. So guys, this takes care of the wallet section. Next, this is my number one go-to tool that I use daily, guys. It is CoinGecko. I cannot have enough of CoinGecko. This is where I go for most of the basic information, to get links to websites, to Medium articles. Guys, all the information is here. So for example, if I go click on Ethereum, I can see their website, I can see the Explorer, I can see the wallets that they're using, I can see Twitter, Facebook, all the community stuff. It's all here, guys. It's all here. And in addition, guys, also the primary reason I use this, I actually keep my portfolio on here, guys. I'm not going to show you my 2025 millionaire list, but I will show you my IDO portfolio. And guys, these are based on IDOs that I actually have recently invested in. So obviously, you know, I've been investing less than a year. These are all my IDOs, guys. Right now, the market is red. Bitcoin's kind of going sideways, which is fine. You can still see my crazy gains on all of these IDOs. I mean, 171x, 199x, 402x, 170x, guys. Ridiculous gains, guys. I can't even, my overall portfolio is a 21x, and we're before the bull market. Anyway, guys, this is a really good tool. I'm not showing off my stuff. I just want to show you this as a tool. Guys, you can create, right? So you can go here, you can create a portfolio, right? Name your portfolio, and then you can literally add a coin. Let's just say, I don't know. Let's see, let's pick one from here. Moon River, that's a nice one. So let's just say I invested in Moon River. I click on add coin, then I go down, it will add it to the bottom somewhere here, and then I would add whatever my transaction was. So I bought Moon River at 409 and I bought, 21 of them, and this is how much it is. And you hit submit, then we'll add it to it. And then over time, as the price changes, it will keep you up with stats, and you can then always go back and like revisit and look at what you did. So for example, Game Zone. I invested $782 in GameZone. That's all I invested. But this was an IDO, and I got this many tokens, and now this thing is worth 134,000. Guys, this is the power of Bluezilla, but that's not the point. The point is this is a great place to track your portfolio. So CoinGecko is my number one tool on the list. Next tool on the list is TradingView, guys. This is where you can go to get access to charts. Actually, they have a free subscription for I think the first 2 weeks, and after that you have to pay either like $10 or $15 a month to use the full version of TradingView. This is what I use, guys. I like this tool. I like to do my TA here. It's really user friendly, guys, and you can do some basic searches on how to do TA, and I'll eventually get some TA basic courses in as well. But right now we want to work on or focus on the tokens where the money is. TA is something very important. You should do it on your own research, on your own time. But guys, TradingView is the next tool on the list. This is where we want to go to read charts, guys. And right now I'm looking at Bitcoin, and it looks like we're actually forming some resistance here or support at 60K, which would be great. I don't want to drop down to 57K. Anyway, moving on, guys. Next tool on the list is going to be a nice little gas index. So again, all the links are in the description. This one is an add-on where you can actually see what gas prices are like. What's the way. So right now we're looking at it's pretty expensive, guys. You want this to be like below 60 or something to get decent gas pricing, guys. We're at 106 for normal, and fast is 107. So guys, this is a really good tool to see. Have a quick glance up here in the top right. Oh, I guess you guys can see that. Hold on. I apologize about that. I had to cut off the top of my screen so you guys can't see my login, like email and stuff like that for some of the other tools. I don't care if you see RNG King for the win. That's my account email, so that's cool. But guys, what you want to keep an eye on is this right here, the Ethereum gas index in the top right. This is, you get this from this browser right here, from this link. It's in the description as well, giving you an update on gas fees. Next tool is swaps, guys. We talked about this one. You can really literally interchange from blockchain to blockchain. So if I have BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain, it's going to make me switch my wallet. If I have BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain and I want to move it over to Ethereum as USDC, I can enter my BUSD here and it's gonna move it over to Ethereum, guys, for you. This is a really cool tool. There's different options, right? Velas, Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain are the networks that this supports. Next, another bridge, Solana bridge, guys. So this is the one we use to get tokens off of something like Binance, Ethereum, Polygon onto Solana. We use this to get into the Boca Chica IDO, if you recall. You had to move your Happy from Binance over to Solana to participate in the Boca Chica IDO. So this is the next tool on the list, guys. So that's it for the tools, guys. Very basic tools, but very important and key tools, guys. Next, we're going to talk about some of the decentralized exchanges. I'm just going to run through these. We have PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, Uniswap on Ethereum. We have Radium on Solana. So these are going to be your major ones right here, because these are the most hyped networks right now. We have QuickSwap, which is on Polygon or Matic. We have JustSwap, which is on Tron, and then there's going to be also another two other swaps that are on the KuCoin community chain. They are KCC Swap and Coffee Swap that are also on the list. Alright guys, this video is already getting lengthy. I wanted to wrap it up and show you the remainder of the list, guys. It's market research and news. So I have a bunch of news, crypto news links here, as well as market research. So you're getting an idea of what's trending on Google. Lunar Crush is a nice social media analytics research tool where you can actually see what's trending and things of that nature. You have a Fear and Greed index. You have an altcoin season index, letting us know if it's Bitcoin season or altcoin season. We have Glassnode, which is basically on-chain data. CoinMarketCap, CoinMarketCal as in calendar, where you can see market events, right? This is a really good tool, actually, guys. I strongly recommend you look at this one. If none of them, you can actually see what's coming up, and based on big events coming up, you can make purchase decisions and, you know, do the thing where you buy the news and sell the release. I'm sorry, that's probably not it, but you know what I'm getting, right? So you buy the rumor, sell the news. That's the one. Buy the rumor, sell the news, and you can do that using this tool right here. There's DeFi Pulse, where you can have a good idea of what's going on. DeFi Pulse and Rate, if you're looking for some USDT stablecoin APY kind of platforms, what's currently the highest APY, that's some good tools right there to look at as well. So that's where I'm going to leave it, guys. I hope that this is helpful. I know it's a boring one and I know it's a longer one, but guys, these are all tools that are very important that I use every day that you can use to make better decisions and make crazy gains in your investment adventures, guys. That's it for me. I'm out. It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Oh, actually, here's a good example. So this is one of those links that just popped up. So when I click on it, now I get credit, and I just got a couple of Brave tokens just for clicking on that. So guys, that's it, guys. I'm glad that came in there so you can actually see how Brave works. But that's it for me. If you like the content, hit the like, hit the subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.